For the compassion, most important is first you try to recognize your own basic feeling, which is wish to be happy and doesn't want to be suffer. So everybody has this feeling. So you try to connect with your own feeling first. You come here also looking for happiness. From different places, come here, And while you are here also looking for happiness. I see that, If you sit this too long, become cause of suffering. Achieve a little bit of happiness, but then it's too long also problem. And this too long, That's why each movement is looking for happiness to avoid problem, suffering. Each eyes blink, also looking for happiness, yeah? You do like this. If you don't move your eyes for a few seconds, then begin to develop suffering. And even each breath. So first you try to understand and try to connect with your basic feeling, what we call wish to be happy is loving kindness. And doesn't want to be suffer is compassion. So everybody has loving kindness, compassion for that sense. So you try to, then once you understand, once you have connection with yourself, then you try to understand this within others. So everybody has some basic feeling, wish to be happy, doesn't want to suffer. So this slowly you can connect with other people. We all have different outer, look, skin different, color different, some taller, shorter, but basic feeling, we all have same feeling. It's like we all like one part of big family. But normally you don't see this, you don't recognize this. Then you just think, oh, that person, I don't like that person because that person doesn't like to eat chili and I like to eat chili. I don't like that person because that person doesn't like it. Or I don't like that person because that person talk more than me. I don't like that person is fatter than me or skinnier than me, is taller than me, This thinking, which is not really, you cannot find common ground, you cannot find connection, is because you are not really understand the basic feeling, which is we all have sense of loving kindness and compassion.